we just work hard and seems to work out. You produce a quality product, care about the people you're doing the work for, care about the people doing the work for you, and I think things kind of work themselves out. My grandfather started the company in a garage, basically where we're sitting right now, and then eventually branched out to build one building and then added on to it. I'm third generation, me and my cousin, and we have fourth generation working here now. The kids start out at the very bottom and work their way up the same way that I did. First thing I did was sweep the floors every day. Sweep the floors, pick up trash, and then ended up, working into building and fabricating and doing everything that we do now.
Rick is an amazing businessman. He's super smart and he's super responsive. I've seen him on the road or at the golf course, and he's always responsive and, on his phone and, replying to people promptly. And I feel like that's something that Lowell 5 does as well. So I just think it's a really good partnership.
We were looking to go with a more local bank than what we were with before, and kind of hit it off. And Lowell 5, they're a great company. We do all our banking with them, 100%. We use their automated check deposit, which is really good. We used to have to bring all our checks to the bank. Now we just run them through, and it's great. We can call and get a hold of the top person in one phone call. Being able to text your banker is really cool. We were looking to buy a hydraulics company that was put on the market, and I texted about that. Hey, can we have a conversation? They got right back to me, and then from there, we met in person.
Texting is a key component. The people on my team, the business banking team, we give out our cell phone numbers, email addresses. People have us 24/7.
Lowell 5 has been there for every need that we've had. And just having that personal relationship I can't say enough about it.